What's going on YouTube? Edub here, back with another one. Check it out. So I was in Costco, I found some raviolis stuffed with lobster. I already had some lobster cooked off. I said, why not? Let's go ahead and try it. So I said, let's go toss it together. Throw some Alfredo sauce in there, add your lobster, boil your raviolis a little bit. Voila. Any special occasion you can turn into a quick and easy one. I mean, this is just real simple stuff, guys. I didn't do much, not a lot of ingredients. I really just used some, basically some generic, Alfredo sauce I found at Costco. I think pretty much everything came from Costco. The lobster I think I got there, raviolis, and then Alfredo, and then just, regular seasons, Italian season. I think I did some salt and pepper, and that was really it. Not too much, because you really don't want to overpower it. So here it is. This is what it looks like. It was an amazing dish. It tastes amazing. This is a real quick and easy one that you can do, for those long days and you just kind of want to get something on the table for the kids, or you and your husband, or you and your wife, whatever. A real quick and easy one for you. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I'll keep posting little Spitfire videos like this. Just easy stuff that you can do with like minimal ingredients. Hey, if you're not already subscribed, you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. Hit me with a like button. Keep that algorithm moving. And I'll catch you next time. Keep doing things with E-Dub. I'm out of here.